Guys, in the Philippines, September 1st signals the start of the Christmas season. And now we're nearing the end of October, the Christmas season. The Christmas feel in the Philippines is already ramped up. I'm sure, because I grew up in the Philippines, I know at the start of September, we start playing Christmas songs, Christmas music over the radio, as well as hanging Christmas decorations, right? And like I said, it's almost the end of October. And I know some of the Filipino traditions, holiday traditions, are now being practiced there as well. But you know what? We know that Christmas is the season of giving. But whether it's Christmas or not, SendWave is giving us, yes, that's right, giving us the opportunity to send money to our loved ones for free. Also, not only that, giving our recipients in the Philippines a $10 credit. That's in addition to what you will send for free. And you know that $10 roughly translates to almost 500 Philippine pesos. And that goes a long way, especially in the Philippines. That's why I've been so excited to tell you about SendWave. It's a company that's trying to support the Filipino community in getting access to financial support during these difficult times. Alam naman natin sa Pilipinas, they still have not yet fully contained the COVID pandemic. Meron din silang mga affected dyan of the Delta variant, and that's why I know that a lot of them still call to their friends and family here in the States to help them back home. And one way of sending help, sending love, is sending money. And that's why SendWave is here. SendWave was started in 2014 as a mission-led company by two engineers from Brown University. They wanted to make sending money across the seas as simple and as affordable as sending a text message. Recently, they've grown to become a leading provider of remittances to Africa and Asia with over 400,000 active users. So what are you waiting for? You need to get on it. We have information for you. There is a need in the Filipino community for this no-fee, easy-to-use remittance service, and we are thankful that SendWave is here. It makes taking care of our loved ones back home so easy.
Can you imagine sending money back home to the Philippines without paying any fees? Imagine no more. Now you can do that with a SendWave mobile remittance app. With excellent Forex rates, and your recipient will get your remittance in minutes. Here are so easy steps to get started.
Download SendWave through our link bit.ly/SOLIBRE. That's bit.ly/SOLIBRE.
It's the yellow one with a penguin. Sign up and select Philippines with a Filipino flag. Click into the recipient name field to add a new recipient. Enter the required information for your recipient. Save their information. Select your payment method. Enter the amount you want to send, click Send, confirm your transaction. It's like sending a text message. It's that easy. Your recipient can receive the money in 3 ways. First option is into their GCash account, the popular mobile wallet in the Philippines. Second option is through direct deposit into their bank accounts. Third option is cash pickup in many SendWave locations, such as Palawan Pawn Shop, Cebuana, LBC, and more.
And here's more. Use the code SOLIBRE for an extra $10. That's almost 500 Philippine pesos bonus.
Plus, you will be entered into a raffle to win $200 of account credit until October 31st.
No fees. Extra $10 credit with code SOLIBRE.
Plus a chance to win $200 credit. So, download and try SendWave today, the mobile remittance app that makes taking care of your loved ones back in the Philippines free, fast, convenient, and so easy.
Who wouldn't want free money, right? May kasabihan tayo sa Tagalog, bawal tanggihan ang grasya. So like I said earlier, you need to get on it, download the SendWave app now, and start using it to send money to your loved ones in the Philippines for free. And at the same time, you get a bonus credit of $10, which roughly translates to 500 Philippine pesos. Also, it's as easy as sending a text message, although we are hearing now that you may need to verify your identity. And it's so easy, even just verifying your identity, all you need to do is enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and your personal address. You may also be asked to upload a legible photo of your identity document, like a driver's license or residence permit. As a registered money transmitter, SendWave needs to confirm users' identity. They do it to protect your money and to ensure that your SendWave account is not compromised. So guys, they're doing just this extra security steps to make sure that your account is secure, right? And also your information is protected. They use a 128-bit encryption, which is the industry standard. This helps to prevent others from accessing your information. That is all for your protection. So we need to cooperate with them as well. But you know, that's nothing compared to being able to send money for free to our loved ones in the Philippines and getting the $10 with our code So Libre. I think it's just so easy. It's a no-brainer. I think you should just do it, really. And that is why I encourage all of you to download the SendWave app. We also have a link on our website, so make sure that you download from our website as well. Or if you are subscribed to our newsletter, we are sending newsletters with all the information about SendWave in that newsletter. So make sure that you go to our website. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure you input your email address so we can send that to you as well. So make sure, 2 things, download the SendWave app, send money to your loved ones in the Philippines for free. And if you want the $10 extra, make sure that you use our code SOLIBRE. That's SOLIBRE, because Libre is free in the Philippines. When we return here on the show, we're going to bring you a So Bold story. You wouldn't want to miss that. Don't go away.